My guys, I legitimately hope you're having a wonderful day, unlike me, because I'm gonna start this bake and bake telling the truth. Straight up the truth. I was in the kitchen and I suffered a big loss. And this is why we're gonna make something super simple, super easy, only 3 ingredients so that we don't have to like really run around like crazy while we figure this out. What are you talking about, Alondra? This is what I'm talking about. This is a big tragedy that we suffered today. My bong suffered an accident. And guess who's responsible for it? Just take a random guess. This person right here.
Okay.
Can you please tell everybody what you did, baby?
Yeah, I will. Yeah. I was saying, babe, my hair's never been this long before.
While I'm handling my bong, cleaning it like a responsible adult that doesn't do responsible things in the sink. And before you knew it, bam. My life feels like it's just dwindling away. But anyways, this is all your fault, baby, and you'll pay for it one way or another.
I don't know why you listened to me and turned around and looked at my hair.
Because if I didn't, and every guy that's married here knows, I would have been murdered. So, let's get to it. Say what we were making. We're gonna be making Nutella cookies, guys, just so that everybody knows. And let's get started, but not before we introduce our guest appearance from Nunu, the sweet pitbull. By the way, Nunu's Fiona. A lot of people are saying who's Nunu and who's Fiona. Nunu's Fiona. So it's the same dog, we just have many names for her.
Say hi. No.
Nunu. Okay. All right, either way, baby, show me the ingredients.
Don't you want to tell people that you stole this recipe?
I did not steal the recipe. God damn it! All right, it's true.
You want to say you were inspired?
It's true. I was very inspired by Cristina da Costa, which is Bert's wife, one of my really good friends and business partners. So Cristina, she's got an awesome channel. Go check it out. We're gonna link it down in the description down below because she really knows what she's doing. And that's why we wanted to do something simple and easy and grab some inspiration from someone who's epic at it.
Also, we wanted to do something simple because last week's episode is 9 hours long. Nutella.
And the good thing is, she didn't go with any vegan bullshit, blah, 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 blah substitute.
I was gonna suggest almond butter.
Oh my God. Nutella, guys.
3 eggs, all-purpose flour.
Oh, well done, baby.
That
was really impressive.
That's it.
And sweetie, what are we gonna need to make these wonderful cookies?
A mixing bowl, measuring cup.
Scientific measuring cup.
Excuse me.
There's science behind that shit.
Spatula, pastry bag, parchment paper. What you really need is an ice cream scooper, but we're
ghetto.
Use a measuring spoon, baking sheet, a ghetto cooling rack.
Well, if you guys don't have a ghetto one, just use a regular one. But that's what's available to us here right now.
That's it?
That's it?
That's it.
All right, it's that time. So I'm gonna see if this still works, and I'll be right back. Sweetie, I'm ready. Look in my eyes.
They're like that every day.
All right, sweetie. So, what's step number 1? Numero uno.
Step number 1 is to put the Nutella in the bowl, and we have to put it in the microwave. However,
there's a however already?
Yeah, we need some of the Nutella for the filling. So I would say leave 10% of the Nutella in the jar.
15%. Give yourself a little bit more room. Don't trust Belen. The numbers are also bad. I don't think she's gonna know how much is 15%.
I personally love an extra gooey filling, so I would go with the 15%.
Do you?
I also have a story.
Babe, I don't think you understand what you just said. Anyways, what about your story?
When I lived in Spain, this is when I discovered Nutella, obviously. And when my parents would go to sleep, I would run down to the kitchen and get a huge spoon and eat the Nutella from the pantry by myself. And then my mom would see it in the morning. I would have chocolate all over my face.
That's incredible. I used to be a disgusting fat cow too. And now I'm back at being a fun. So all right, everything's going out great. Make sure the bowl that you're gonna pour the Nutella on is microwavable. That's step number 1, right?
Here you go.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Stop. You guys, my tolerance.
How is it gonna know where to go if you don't whistle at it? In Mexico, people can back up if you're not putting
Okay, well, FYI, we are in Los Angeles.
Oh, wow, look at you. Sweetie, I don't know what's going on. This is really tough.
You want me to do it? By the way, you look at me. You look cross-eyed. I think that's good. We're gonna put this in the microwave for 15, 20 seconds.
That's right. Please hold this, because The munchies are fucking.
I mean,
Oh my god, this is actually torturing. Like baby
I think
torture.
I'm gonna have some of it. So
Oh my god.
honestly,
Microwave, 10 to 15 seconds.
do you know how to use it?
I absolutely don't. Okay.
Okay, so we hit microwave.
Wow, that's the whole process for it?
The more you know.
That's fucking wild. No.
Go ahead. I just showed you how to do
It's
it.
not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I don't remember anything that just happened.
Do you have Alzheimer's?
No. It's cold wheat. Wow. That is incredible. Holy shit. And what's the 10 for?
Like the intensity.
Oh, so we're selecting intensities.
Well,
It's a very sophisticated piece of
it's
machinery you got there.
really not.
No, this is ready. This looks like a little chocolate, sweetie, huh?
Ew.
Now what? Hey,
Don't ruin it. Okay, now we're gonna do the eggs.
guys, I am just drooling with the Nutella.
I know, I want it
Terrible.
so bad too.
How much swag should I throw in the egg?
0.
Okay, so 100%.
0 swag. Oh, are you giving us a magic show? Oh no, you have a past.
What do you mean about my past with magic? There's no magic.
You guys, he did magic
No.
at some point in his life.
No.
So,
I did not.
if anyone wants to send him a magic kit, he would love it.
There you go, sweetie, huh? Huh? Are you turned on yet by this?
I'm the opposite of that. Like, literally the...
I get it. Thank you.
Okay, how much flour, do you know?
Dos tazas de.
How's your foot?
Stop looking at him.
2 cups of flour.
Cups of motherfucking flour.
Do you want a scooper?
Dang, we'll see what happens, sweetie. I'm gonna fucking risk it all.
Yeah, let's
Cups.
make a big mess, okay?
I will. Just for you.
Well, you're cleaning up, so.
No, I'm not.
You guys, so obviously since quarantine, Alondra's been cooking and cleaning, and every night he has a mental breakdown when he has to wash the dishes, and he tells me that I sabotage him every time I bring a dish, like I'm pulling them out of nowhere.
She absolutely does. Let me tell everybody, because there's no fucking way. I'm cleaning, like right now she ate. I'm pretty sure she's fucking hiding those dishes somewhere in this
Really?
fucking kitchen.
'Cause
I'm telling you.
I'm the cleanest person on earth, so that's
Yeah,
impossible.
absolutely. And also you're clean. Yeah, you can just throw it all at once. It's not little by little.
You sure can.
Bam! And now, where's my spatula? Which,
It's
by the
in the
way,
Nutella.
The spatula is easily the most diverse instrument in the kitchen. It works for everything.
Does it?
I have a huge inspiration.
Maybe you should come up with your own spatulas.
I don't think so.
Wow.
It's becoming. Oh, can you smell it?
Yeah, it smells like heaven.
This is fucking insane. Right now, the munchies are just at a whole different level, babe.
Are they real?
I've never had to deal with a problem this big.
I don't know. You've dealt with problems. So now you're gonna like mix
Now
it.
I'm gonna use my hand because it seems like it's getting to that point.
Oh boy.
But also at the same time, I never learned how they do it.
Clearly.
And by the way, someone last week mentioned that they were making the cake as we were making it, and because we fucked up, they fucked up. So please realize this is not really a cooking show. It's more of an entertainment show.
Yeah, this
so just
is-
wait until the end before you do it.
This
right?
is literally the most non-informative cooking show that's ever been made.
Ever.
There's always a disaster. It takes always three more hours than it should, and it's just a clusterfuck. But hopefully it's entertaining.
That's all we want. So, we're at the point where Cristina has like a little nice thing put together here, and mine looks a little more wet than hers.
Yeah, because you massaged it.
Hey, I like to massage things for a long time.
No, you don't. You never give me massage.
And by this point, we should have had the Nutella
Yeah.
inside of that thing, so we can start making the cookies and fill them with that.
But obviously, we fucked up.
Yeah,
So
please make your notes. Take notes. And also, I'm not entirely sure that's the consistency of that's supposed to be.
it's not.
So,
100%.
so should I keep doing it or
No, stop touching it.
stop touching it? Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know how we're gonna fill this thing.
Okay, great. I got it.
Okay. I think this is not gonna be as easy as your, oh my God. What technique would you call this?
The reaching monkey spider.
This is not.
Why is Fiona crying?
Do not do this at home, by the way. Oh, you said it was so easy!
I'm stuck.
I need to put the camera down, you guys, because I have to help him.
Put it down, sweetie.
Let it go.
No. Now.
Do you have a rubber band?
Ready. No. Go get it.
Well, another thing that you need is a rubber band. This is absolutely how you do not fill it, by the way.
Kinda.
No.
Yeah, kinda. There's some going up, but there's some going down.
Oh, it's not supposed to go up.
Well, but there's some
Let go.
going down.
Can I tie it?
Now you can tie it. There you go. Got it.
By the way, this bag is supposed to be reusable, but clearly we will not be reusing this ever again. You guys, what a disaster. Okay, so now you're gonna put the parchment paper. Here we go. I'm gonna pee.
It's the fold in the paper bag.
It's the pleats.
There it is.
Wow.
Now, what we're supposed to do is grabbing that and making little balls, picking it up in little balls, and then we're gonna make those into our cookies. Just watch me.
That made zero fucking sense.
Just watch me.
What he tried to say is we're gonna scoop out the dough, you're gonna flatten it in your hand, and then we're gonna fill it with the Nutella filling.
Bam!
And then make it back into a ball.
Couldn't have said it better, baby. Okay.
No. You're not doing it right. She flattened it in her hands.
Oh, hey, either way.
Okay. It's not coming out. Oh my god, you just squirted it all over me. You guys, obviously we put the wrong cap on. It's gonna take 7 years. All right, we'll be right back. Intermission. Better?
Perfecto.
So now you're gonna roll it into a ball. It smells incredible. Are they supposed to be that huge?
Yes.
Okay, let me make one.
Bada bam. Okay, I think we did a pretty good job.
Honestly, no, because I looked back at the video and hers were not oily like this.
Yeah,
so
me either.
you activated something that wasn't supposed to be activated, and now they're slimy. But you know what? The good news is you can't fuck up anything that's with Nutella.
Okay, well, we're gonna put these in the fridge, right, for 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
So now you gotta preheat your oven, right? On
350.
350, perfect. Thank you, sweetie.
The cookies are now in the fridge for the next 30 minutes.
And now, oh my God, now Belen just took out the cookies from the fridge and they're all ready. Now we're gonna put them in the oven for anywhere between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on your
Yes,
on your oven. So let's go. They're ready. The cookies are ready. I think they're ready, right?
Well, we did 14 minutes.
Some of them are moist.
Right?
Yeah. And now we're supposed to make them cool down for 10 minutes on that tray as they are. Well done, sweetie. You look very cute with your
Midnight mittens.
yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Belen's making dinner now because these cookies that normally take 10 minutes to make took us
Somehow
39
taking
minutes.
us- yes.
Now we're transferring everything to the cooling rack where they're gonna be sitting for 10 minutes.
We feel good.
Yeah. As Belen continues to cook her dinner, I just realized I don't have my hat on and I'm a fucking disaster. This is fucking great news, guys. Thank you for telling me, guys. Now this is on you. All right, so honestly, we just had dinner and we were gonna die if we ate the cookies without eating anything all day. So
That's true.
now it's time to try them, sweetie. 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 Fuck.
Not even high anymore.
So let's just try him and see where he goes.
Where's the filling?
Oh, mine does have it. That's probably your cookie, baby. Mine's blue inside.
Mine isn't. I'm gonna open another one.
That's right, baby. Mine are good.
Wow.
Mine are good. You see the difference now? From a fucking professional baker? Move away, Gordon Ramsay. You can suck my balls. No, he's a cook.
Wow, these were really good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Easy. Delicious.
Thank you, Cristina, for the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next week. Huh?
All right.
Huh?
Yeah.
Making this was a terrible idea.
I know.